country like ours, where on the one hand, a woman is made to sit on a pedestal in the form of goddess Lakshmi, Durga, Saraswati, it is indeed the biggest irony that we are yet discussing women empowerment, when we should have been an example for others to follow.
It's very important for Indian women to be financially independent and enjoy what they do. So it's not that everything is an exam which you need to clear. It's important that you give it your best and enjoy what you do.
I think women empowerment is all about being literate, being confident, and for that I think education is must. If you are educated, you are financially independent, and that is what is going to take you somewhere.
I'm living life to the fullest as I represent the woman of 21st century.
I think that women have the right to live their lives. They can do whatever they feel like doing. If they want to study, they can study. There is no age limit for women to do things. And that's what, for me, women empowerment is all about.
If you educate a man, you educate an individual. But if you educate a woman, you educate an entire generation.
To achieve my full potential, to maximize, to be able to achieve everything that I think I am capable of achieving without allowing myself to be held back because of the shackles of society, because of thinking that I'm a female and I can't do this and I can't do that.
Women empowerment to me is freedom. Freedom in doing whatever you want to do, whenever you want to do, and howsoever you want to do.
Women empowerment is definitely freedom for women, but I think it is more related to men. They need to change their thinking about the women empowerment. It's the change in the societal behavior.
Be you, be awesome, be fearless. Do not compromise. बहुत हो गया सहना सामना करना भी एक शक्ति है. Rise and shine. It's your time.
A woman can create a new generation. She can change the world with her firm determination and willingness.
Women empowerment is all about knowing your rights and using them whenever it is required, and raising your voice either on the social, personal or professional front.
Women are becoming more and more self-dependent by accessing all the opportunities which we were denied in the past. The role of a woman has always been an important role in our society, seen as a primary caregiver, a mother, a wife and a daughter.
What I believe is that women empowerment was always there, but nobody was aware of it. We as women, we are independent, we are doing everything, household things, we are going out, we are serving the children. So in a way, we are doing it by ourselves, but then yes, the recognition was not there, which is coming now, and the times are changing.
Women empowerment means it's an environment wherein women get an independency to take their own decision for their upliftment.
For me, women empowerment means equal power and equal authority in the society for each and every people.
Women empowerment to me is about the psychological benefit of or the psychological well-being of the women around, because we all know that women in India, they are suffering more of psychological problems compared to the rest, compared to the other physical issues that they are facing.
And that your looks are not who you are. Your looks don't determine how people should treat you. You can stand up for yourself and you can be your own woman, your own strength. You don't need anyone else to tell you that. So that's what I think female empowerment is. Understand who you are and believe in yourself.
Women empowerment, according to me, is liberation. Liberation from everything. So it's very important as a woman. I believe that each and every woman needs to be educated. She needs to know who she is.
Empowerment is very important for ladies who believe in self. And I'm proud of a woman. I'm doing things according to me.